Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then my name is Mesabin Pinky. So it's been a while I haven't made a vlog, and today I was like preparing meal for a few days, so I thought I should share with you all. So yeah, just keep on watching, and it's Saturday, 13th of January. Okay, first I'm going to make this chicken, and I have diced chicken breast and got some potatoes, and I've got onion here, some curry leaves, and also I will be using this taco seasoning. So this is great for seasoning all meats, seafood and vegetables. So this is really good, and I'm going to use this ginger garlic paste. This is really good. It's the same as real garlic and ginger, so I really like this one, and you can get easily from Coles. So let's begin cooking. So this dish is for kids, so I might also be adding some chili sauce. Okay, some chili sauce. Some oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Onion. I'm going to caramelize the onion a bit, so I'm adding this much of sugar. This one I'm making it for kids, so that's why I'm making it like this. And then throw some curry leaves and straight in goes the chicken. We'll add some garlic ginger paste now. Going to mix this first. Some salt. And on top I'm going to add this taco seasoning. This will make the chicken very tasty, and also it will give that orange type of color. So when the water will be dry, I'll add more water. Now I'm going to just add some hot boiling water. Going to mix. This is a great dish for kids because it's full of protein, and kids don't eat that much of protein. So chicken breast has lots of protein, so you should definitely feed your kids chicken breast a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of this chili sauce, not too much, but just a bit. We already added taco seasoning. Don't mind, my machine is on. I'm also washing clothes. Just a little bit for the flavor. Okay, this is done, so I'm going to just squeeze in some lemon. Lots of lemon. The food is ready. Food is ready. Tastes very yummy. Chicken breast.
It's paused.
Not wrong. Why lying? Rice is almost done. Okay, so now I'm going to make some hot and spicy chicken for me and hubby. Okay, so add some oil. I have added a bit of oil here, like it's quite a lot for me, but I'm making this chicken in garam masala. So I need that much oil, and adding the onion and some curry leaves. Some pepper, just a little bit. So there is some chili powder, some turmeric powder, salt, and some garam masala. I am adding lots of chili powder because I want it to be very spicy, and also I'm going to add garlic ginger paste. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I will cook this for a minute or two, more water, because I want the spices to cook properly. I will also add this mild taco spice mix, little bit of this, just to get some more flavor. Okay, now I'm going to add all this chicken and potato. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of water so that the chicken and potato will cook properly. Okay, so I'm going to make my favorite dish. As you all know, I have made this so many times in my vlogs. So I'm going to use some eggplants, chopped spinach. I'm going to add 2 packets of this frozen chopped spinach, and also some diced tomatoes. These ingredients you can find easily in Coles. I have bought everything from Coles, but this curry leaf is from my garden, and some onion. And also I'm going to add some salt, garlic, and ginger. have added some garlic ginger paste and some salt. My camera just stopped recording, so I'm going to add the eggplant now. So the chicken is done, as you can see. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon because it's very spicy, so we just need some lemon. And I'm mixing it, and this is done. You can add some coriander on top. I don't have that today, so I'm not adding it. I don't want to go to the shop to get it, but I'm going to the shop later, I think so. Yeah, this is done. Okay, so I'm going to add some frozen curry leaves on top. I have used this chili powder, which is very hot. I think I got this from Kohl's. How tasty this looks. You can just eat like this. But I'm going to add the spinach. So this is ready. I have also made some salad. Just squeezing in some lemon. Just some lettuce and tomato, which was like left over in my fridge, so I thought to use it today. Also, I'm making some of this paratha roti for Isha. She loves this. I always keep this in the freezer, and this is available in Kohl's too. कौन सी करता है ईशा?
Juice.
No water, juice.
Yeah.
Okay, so our dinner is ready and we are going to eat it early today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.